Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool. So, which has many templates which will be useful for us to draw pictures, graphs and many charts in your research paper. It has a built-in templates, so just you have to edit the template and you have to edit the data, so thereby you will be getting a better pictures for your research paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on redefining academic writing, the role of ChatGPT and AI in crafting research papers. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts. So in this we are going to explore how that prompts will be helpful for us to make our research content very useful. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. The tool what we are going to discuss today is that 𝐵ISME. So you can create anything and make it engaging. So just you can log in with your mail ID. So after you have logged in, so it leads to a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard of this 𝐵ISME.co. So here just I am going to click create new. So in this you can select project. So these are the things you can use to generate. So first one is presentations, next one is infographics, next one is documents. Next one is charts, graphs, printables, web graphics, social media, video, GIFs. Next you can even generate with AI. So first I am going to show what are the presentation templates available. So just click on this presentation template. So here you can see this is the presentation template. So here you can see these are the different themes of this presentation. So you can see the themes, model presentation. So how it will be. So if you want, or if you need this kind of presentation, just click on edit. For example, if you need this presentation, just click edit. So here you can see the editing table. So in this you can edit whatever you want. So here you can see the different options are available. The headers, font pairs, stats and figures. So different options are available. Even you can insert diagrams. So here you can see these are the diagrams you can insert here. So these are the different diagrams. So you can change the outline and border of the diagrams also. So apart from this you can see this photo grid, etc. So you can use whatever you want, and then you can insert a photo, graphics, data or animation. So here you can see these are different graphics available here. Next you can see the photos. So different photos available here. So you can insert whatever photo you want. Next one you can see the media. If you want to import a video, and you can add a video also. Next you can see the theme colors. So what are the colors you want, you can change accordingly. So like that you can use this presentation to analyze. You can see this is the presentation. So after that you can download this presentation using this option. So like that you can make use of this option to get a better presentation using this tool. So next one is the documents. So here you can see this is the documents and resumes, magazines, proposals, plans, reports. So here you can see you can create anything you want. So these are the options available. If you want reports, you can just click on this reports, or else you can see these are the different templates available. So you can edit this templates also. There are built-in templates. It's for free, so you can use these templates. So next one, whiteboards. So here you can see this is the whiteboards related templates. So here you can see the brainstorm, flows and wireframes. So you can use any of the template also. So here you can see these are some of the templates available. So just clicking this template, so you can edit whatever you want. You can even draw a flow diagram also. So this is this whiteboards. Next important thing is that charts and graphs. So this one is very fantastic templates. It is having different templates which will be very useful to analyze data in our research paper. So here you can see 𝐻 charts. So these are some of the 𝐻 charts. So here there are many templates available in this 𝐻 charts. So here you can use this 𝐻 charts. So here you can see area charts. So this is the template of the area chart. So here you can see these are the different templates for area chart. You can edit any one of the templates. Next one, funnel charts. So here this is the funnel charts. So here you can see the funnel charts. So for your application for data analysis, you can use this kind of charts. Next, 𝐸𝐸 charts. So here you can see this is the 𝐸𝐸 charts. So in order to draw or analyze your data for different types of comparative analysis, you can use this kind of chart. So next one is pyramid chart. So here you can see this is the pyramid chart. So these are the template of the pyramid chart. So if you want to draw a hierarchy, or if you want to explain the types, so you can use this kind of charts. Next one is cone chart. So here you can see this is a cone chart. These are the templates of cone chart. So next one is that radar chart. So this will be very helpful for us research paper writing also. So there are many research paper comprises of this kind of chart, so you can use this kind of chart. So or else if you are not interested in this templates, you can click create new. So I will show you that. So this one is scatter plots. So these are the different types of scatter plots. It is also used to analyze the data. So for example, if you want to edit this plot, means just to click on this and click use template. So you can use in square or else wide also. So after clicking use the template, so it will show the template here. So here you can double click that particular graph. So it will show the Excel sheet for that particular graph. So you will be having a sample data. So you can give your data, your own data, and you can complete this as soon as possible. So just by copy and paste the data here, automatically the chart will be generated in this template. So after that you can click download. So you can save it as a JPEG or PNG format. So all the template can be saved like this. So you can make use of this option to draw graphs and charts easily. So let us explore some other templates. Next one, you can see pie charts. So in order to give the percentages and results in your result and discussion part of your research paper, so you can use this kind of pie chart. So this will be very helpful for you. Next one is that line charts. So here you can see these are some of the templates of this line charts. So you can make use of this line charts to draw, analyze data, and you can make a comparative data. For example, here a template will be present that historic, current and future population by continents. So just click use this template. So it leads to the editing table of that particular template. So after that, what you can do is just double click this one. So here you can see the table data. So in this table data, you can analyze whatever you want according to the data. So it will generate a particular graph for you. So you can even edit and change colors for that particular content also using this editing option. So here you can see this is the editing table. So you can edit your graph whatever you want. So here you can have this graphics option. So this graphic option you can add or remove anything you want. So after that you can change instantly into it is a pie chart and bar chart. So like that you can change the same data instantly very fastly. So this is a funnel chart. So after that, so like that you can change whatever the chart you want for a single data, so for a same data. So you can draw any types of chart. Next one you can see this is bar graphs. So it is a common bar graphs. So here you can see this is different templates available. So this is horizontally drawn bar graph and also vertically drawn bar graph. So especially for presentations, PowerPoint presentations, so you can make use this kind of data analysis to get a better slide out of it. So this will be very helpful for your presentation, which makes more attractive. So and also you can see this is map charts. So here you can see this is the map chart analysis. Next, pictograms. So these are the pictograms analysis. Next you can see histograms. So these are the templates of histograms. Next, polar charts. Next, here you can see this is the polar charts templates. So here you can see this is a best template, COVID infection, how it will be increased or decreased year by year. So after that you can see dual charts. So this is the dual chart. So here you can see both bar chart as well as there is histogram as well as your line chart also will be available. So you can use this kind of option, a hybrid chart version. So next, Venn diagrams. So here you can see these are the Venn diagrams. So in order to represent your literature survey or literature survey correlation, so you can use this kind of charts. So especially for literature survey, these Venn diagrams will be very useful. So these are the different templates and chart types are available in this particular 𝐻𝐵 tool. So this will be a fantastic tool for you to make a better pictures for your research paper. So next option is that infographics. So here you can see these are the different infographic option. So all statistical information timeline. So this will be very helpful for our research paper writing. So here you can see you can make a timeline diagram. For example, if you want to organize the flow of your research, so you can make use of this templates to organize your flow of research. So these are the different templates. Unique templates are available. So this will make a better impression on your research paper and also in your thesis. So while preparing thesis, you can use this kind of flow diagrams to analyze or to organize your thesis. So you can make use of this option. So next you can see comparison. So in this comparison you can see these are the different comparison charts. So you can compare two, if you want to compare two different methods in your research paper, so you can use this kind of charts. So here you can see this is a comparison charts. So in order to get a better understanding, so I am going to give edit here. So here you can see product comparison. So instead of this one, you can give your own methods and give your own name, and you can mention how it will be, what is the overview of the method, performance of the method, features of the method and design of the method. Like that you can compare two different methods. So thereby it will get a better attraction towards your paper. So while proposing your while proposing your methods in your research paper. So next you can see hierarchical, how to next anatomical, resume, mind maps, road maps. So here you can see this road maps will be very fantastic one for our research work. So here you can see the reference road maps. So instead of using Gantt chart, you can use this road map also. So you most probably many of you will use this Gantt chart for your timeline. So instead of the Gantt chart, so you can use this that is road maps. This road maps will be very useful for you to draw a better understanding how you started your research work and how you ended up with your method. So like that you can use this road maps also. Next you can see non-profit bite-sized flow charts. So here flow charts will be very helpful for our research paper, important part in our research paper. So here you can see some of the flow chart templates. So you can use anything you want, or else if you want to create your own flow chart also, so don't worry. So here you will be having option, you can build your own flow charts here. So by using this page, so you can use any of the pictures or any of the diagrams. So you can click diagrams, so you can add or delete any diagram. So like that you can use any of the option to draw and make your flow chart unique also. So like that you can make use of this option in this 𝐻𝐵. So you can draw your own, or else you can use this already available templates. Next pictures. So here diagrams. So here you can see this is the diagram. So this will be very helpful for us to organization of your thesis. Instead of giving organization of thesis in theoretical manner, so you can use how your thesis will be organized. So you can use chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, like that you can give. So in order to get a better understanding, I will show you open new the template. So here you can see this is the template. Just you can edit your template, you can give your title here. So how the flow of your thesis will be, like that you can change, or you can edit this pictures. So you can easily edit as like in a Word file. So you can easily edit. So you can make use of this option to make your research paper content very attractive and innovative. So this will brings reviewers attention towards your paper, and they will select, the probability of selection of your paper will be very easy. Next as far as social media is concerned, you can create a Instagram post, Instagram stories, LinkedIn headers, like that. So these are the different templates available. So you can make use of this social media also. Next GIFs, you can see intros, outros, explainer videos, animated videos, bite size ads, etc. Next, printables. So here you can see you can create posters, flyers, menus, schedules, syllabus, magazines, etc. So whatever you want you can create. Next, web graphics. So in this web graphics you can see these are the different categories available: phone wallpapers, blog graphics, white skyscraper, rectangle, that's email header, website headers, etc. So these are the options you can use to create a better that is better version of the picture in your papers, as well as anything you want related to your social media post, etc. also. So make use of this option in this 𝐻𝐵 AI. So as far as 𝐻𝐵 AI is concerned, so here you can see these are the projects we have edited, so it will be saved in our my projects. So apart from this you can see my files, so it will be saved here. So next, content calendars, brand data. So like that, in order to analyze your data, so you can use this. So but you have to go for upgrade to pro option. So as far as pricing and plans is concerned, so as a starter it is 616 per month. For pro option, so it is 1000 rupees, 1041 rupees per month. So these are the options you will be having. All assets, charts and templates, no 𝐻𝐵 brand on projects, 500 AI credits per month, so 5 GB storage. So these are the different perks and options available. So the important thing is that you can create it with using your AI also. So here you can see, here you will be having a new option called generate with AI. So click on generate with AI. 𝐻𝐵 AI chatbot. So whatever you want you can ask. So 𝐻𝐵 AI will generate a content for you. So here this is the chatbot of a 𝐻𝐵 AI. So you can ask whatever you want. So create a design on renewable energy for installed in EV charging station. So here I have asked that is given a prompt, create a design on renewable energy installed on EV charging station. So here it is asking a question that here is type of content you can create with 𝐻𝐵 AI. So you can create a presentation, document, printable, social media. So I am going to click presentation. So let us see how this will generate a content for us. So here you can see what style you want. So for example, this is the style I want, so use this style. I am going to click use this style. So in a couple of minutes, so it will generate. So let us see how this 𝐻𝐵 AI will generate presentation for us. So here you can see that our content is generated. So this is how your content is generated. So here you can click this option. So just click on editing this, edit this design. Yes, our content came. So renewable energy focus. So this is the first slide. So next one is our profile. Next, loading solutions. So next one, advanced power storage technology optimization. So after that, if you want more images, you have to go for a pro option. So this is how you can automate using this chatbot also. So this 𝐻𝐵 AI is a unique tool which is having different templates for especially for analyzing your data in your research paper and also making a better presentation. So a new option called 𝐻𝐵 AI chatbot will be incorporated in order to automate your pictures, that is drawing and writing. So make use of this 𝐻𝐵 AI to generate a better content for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.